Okay, so let us take a look at some of the tips that we should really avoid. Okay, if let's say we have this eczema or skin allergy problem, okay, avoid hot or long shower, especially eczema, right? Is actually due to when the skin is too dry. So if let's say, we take too long shower or hot shower, it will not actually moisturize the skin. It can actually cause the skin to be even more dry, triggering the allergy. So really, let's not go for hot long baths. Okay, the other thing is really try to avoid intense scratching because that's really harmful. And also not to wear tight clothing, especially people with such conditions should really opt for like cotton, okay, like synthetic fiber, synthetic fiber, just now I was talking about fiber, now I talk about fiber. Synthetic fabric or even wool, okay, can be also one of the allergen as well, okay, affecting the skin. So we should really be careful, really read the labels. Okay, if let's say we are really sensitive, then opt for cotton. So that is the safest. And then also avoid the food allergen. Just now I mentioned the common ones are like milk, nuts, eggs, and like the prawns and the crabs, those shellfish. Okay, and then not to expose yourself to sunlight too much. Okay, overexposure is also bad as well, and do not overwork. Okay, because later on I'll touch a bit on, because overwork means stress, right? Later I will touch on, what happens when we are stressed. And at the same time, let us also remember to keep the skin clean as well. Okay, so lastly, right, besides these tips, I think the way to health and longevity, what are the areas that we should also take note? Okay, these 4 factors look simple, but I think really we have to try to upkeep, a healthy habit. Okay, because this is not only helping us with allergy, but in the long term wise, it's also good for our health and it helps with longevity. So having sufficient rest and sleep, right, is very important, because when we are sleeping, our body cells actually go into this process of helping us to eliminate the toxic substances and also help to repair the damaged tissues in our body. Okay, so it's very important for us to really try to get sufficient sleep. And then the other thing is having this moderate exercise, because moderate exercise can help to stimulate sweating, and even deep breathing. Slow deep breathing is very good. I always advise my friends to do that. No time, okay, do slow deep breathing. Okay, it helps to enhance lymphatic circulation and help the body to expel toxins. And then here the stable emotions, to stay upbeat, just like I mentioned, not to be stressed, okay, because when we are stressed or we have negative emotions, our body will actually secrete these toxic hormones called corticosteroid, which will further suppress the immune system by up to 80%, which means to say that we only left with 20%, immune system is working for us. That will mean that healing will take place very slowly. Okay, so just now I mentioned about cactus. Of course, if let's say our lifestyle is so difficult to upkeep because of hectic lifestyle, busy work schedule, right? Then you must really take a lot of cactus and cactus fruit. Okay, because cactus is also very good in terms of helping to neutralize these toxic hormones. Okay, and lastly, a balanced diet. Okay, balanced diet meaning just now I already mentioned what to avoid, right? Not so much of this animal-based food, fried greasy food. We should really try to moderate that and try not to eat so much of it. But we should have more fruits and vegetables in our daily diet.